Hi folks, my name is Kenyon Bonner and I serve as the Vice Provost for Student Affairs. I'm headed to the new site for the new Campus Recreation and Wellness Center. The construction crew is laying the foundation and they've asked me to drive around the site, so that's where I'm going. Hey folks. DJ, how's it going? Hey, Darby, pretty good?
Nice to see you.
How's it going? So the construction crew invited me to drive around the construction site, all right? I'm driving that.
Not quite. You'll be driving this.
Okay, now that's more my speed. You ready?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Next time, I'm driving.
I'm sorry, Carla. Now, folks, that was a lot of fun driving around the site. I probably ran into a few things, so I promise that I drive my personal vehicle a little bit better than that. But it was still a lot of fun. What was also fun is being on this site and just being in the presence of like the culmination of a lot of years of student feedback and input, and just kind of anticipating what this will do to our campus community with the resources, the services, the space. Like, I'm really excited. What I'm more excited about is to hear your input and feedback. And what are you most excited about, DJ?
Well, as a student, I'd say I'm most excited about the consolidation of everything the Campus Rec experience has to offer in a more accessible facility that's closer to campus and larger.
I'm excited to see the new healthy dining options that are going to be on the first floor, because that's something that's really new to Campus Rec.
I'm excited to see all the overall mental health they have to offer in this building, as well as the amount of teamwork and happiness we can bring through intramurals.
Well, I appreciate you all joining me on this site and the drive around the site. And I look forward to everything this is going to do to campus. And just thank you for your time and look forward to working with all three of you when we open.
Thank
all right?
you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thanks for the ride.